Hey, this is Wes Fryer. It's January the 29th, 2024, and I want to talk about cooking pizza on my RecTeq smoker. So, I actually love the wireless features of my mobile app that's on my phone and being able to be away from home. And so what I'm going to do tomorrow is actually cook pizza. But it's, it takes about 20 minutes, 20 or 30 minutes for us to get to school. And so I'm going to actually be able to start the smoker from school, on the cellular, wireless connection. And then when we get home, guess what? The smoker is gonna be close to ready. So what I like to do is have the smoker at about, set it to 375. Then it takes 5 or 6 minutes usually to cook a pizza. I know you can get it hotter than that. And I don't know, I've just kind of settled in that like this works and we like it. And so I haven't, really deviated from it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over and get my pizza oven. The pizza oven is actually made by Green Mountain Grills. My smoker is an RT 700 bull smoker, and so you don't have to have a Green Mountain grill in order to have this use this pizza oven. So it's pretty nice. It actually fits the firebox. Anyway, it fits really well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take off my grill grates and my drip pan, and then I'll also I don't know if it's called the blast shield. I should know what this is. But anyway, I'm going to take all that stuff out. I'll pause it, and then I'm going to go over and get my pizza insert, and I'll go ahead and insert it and show you that. So this is like the setup. All right, so I've got my, what is it called? Whatever it is, the fire blocker, the blast shield, the fire shield. I have that off and below, and then I've taken the drip pan out and I've got that underneath. So now I'm gonna go get my pizza insert. All right, so this is my very used Green Mountain Grill pizza oven. It's got 3 parts. This is the cover. This is the pizza stone. And you want to be careful not to use some pliers or anything to take off when it's hot. It's actually chipped on the side of it. And then this is the actual main part that fits right over the firebox. So I'll try to attempt to show you how this works. This actually goes down into the firebox. The firebox being this part right here where all the pellets are, where the fire's made. And so now I'm gonna put it in. So I'll sometimes turn it over and we'll get some dust and stuff like that in it. I want this to be able to extend down, okay? I'm just gonna put it down like that, and it's seated down so that that cylinder is actually right down into the firebox. So now I'm going to take my pizza stone, which I use semolina flour, which it acts sort of like little ball bearings to get your pizza to roll really easily on and off. Go ahead and push that all the way back, and then my cover just going to go all the way in like that. Okay, so I'm going to close it up. Boom. That's how we're gonna be cooking. So this is now going to be ready for tomorrow. I'll be able to remotely start my app. I'll probably have my wife shoot a little video of me doing it because I'll be on my phone turning on the grill. But because this is connected to Wi-Fi, and that means anywhere I am in the world, I can, turn my grill on and monitor my cooks. I'll be able to go ahead and turn that on. So we're going to be ready to cook some pizza tomorrow after school. All right, it's January 30th. We're leaving school. I've opened my RecTeq app. There's my grill, Sam. Turn it on. 375, and about 45 minutes, we'll be ready to put on some pizza. All right, so here we are. We're gonna go through the whole pizza cook, and I've done a recipe about this, but I haven't done a video. So we've cooked it. We do this almost every week. This is our absolute favorite crust, cauliflower pizza. I'll go through what you've got to have. Obviously, crust. We've done, you know, probably my favorite was Trader Joe's, but we're more on the low carb side, so having a cauliflower crust is good. And this is so crispy. It's fantastic. You've got to have a pizza peel. You got to take your pizza on and off the smoker, off of the pizza stone. You got to have semolina flour to put down on your pizza peel to get your crust to slide on and off easy. You got to have good ingredients. So we're going to use Rao's pizza seasoning. It's more expensive, cheaper at Walmart. Sometimes you can get it at Costco. I don't know how much it's different from just marinara, but we absolutely love that. And I don't like to just have cheese pizza, so usually we do pepperoni. We have to get these cauliflower pizza crusts usually at Walmart. I think they're probably about $7 or $8. So you can definitely get cheaper crusts, but like I said, these are fantastic. They're lower carb, and so we just love them. And we tried a bunch of things. If you have another cauliflower crust that you really like, that you think is better, let me know. So before I put it down, I've got to put my semolina flour down. This was described to me as kind of like ball bearings for your pizza. And so it really doesn't, you know, I don't think it flavors it much at all, but that just goes down on the bottom of your peel. And then you put this down. I like to put, sometimes I put too much sauce on. And so I've heard people say, you know, be careful to not put a ton of sauce. Usually I put about half a can of this Rao's on one pizza, and that is good. I really haven't experimented a lot with other, you know, like white sauce and stuff, and maybe we should. One of the things that's great about having a pizza stone and cooking on the smoker like this, the way we're doing it, pardon me, this is done in 6 minutes. We could heat it up and have it done even faster, but it'd be a fun thing to do, you know, for like a party or something like that, having people over. So, mozzarella cheese. I like to do the mozzarella first before the pepperonis, and that way the pepperonis, I don't know, crisp up. We've had debates about this in our house of which, you know, which one we prefer. I actually don't have as many of these as I thought, but fortunately I had some in the freezer, so I like to basically cover in here. You can kind of zoom in, you don't need to get me. I like to just cover the whole surface of the pizza with pepperonis, and like I said, I had some in the freezer, so I actually just defrosted a little bit. My favorite way, and I just don't have any peppers right now, is to, I guess I don't have peppers either, is to have Italian sausage, and I'll brown that Italian sausage first. I guess I could even do that with onion, but anyway, usually I just brown the Italian sausage. We'll sprinkle that on, and then I'll have pepperonis, and then I'll have some sweet bell peppers as well. Colored bell peppers are the best, but this is also fine. This is just a plain pepperoni pizza. So here we go. We're headed outside. Ta-da! And again, we started the grill. Dogs are so excited to go outside. We started the grill when we weren't even home over the wireless. And so I've checked it. It's about 4:30 now. And so it is plenty hot. I have never used a laser, thermal, whatever fancy thing to tell my temperature. Just go ahead and open it up, slide it in, ta-da, close it up, and 6 minutes. Hey Siri, set a timer for 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, we've got about 30 seconds or 40 seconds till our timer is gonna go off. We generally will eat 2 of these pizzas, and that's probably more than we actually need, but I just go ahead and fix up the next one so that it's ready, and I will bring this one, I'll bring this one in and then go put this one out and we have to wait just a little bit for it to cool before we cut it. So let's go outside. Okay, it has been like 2 minutes. One of the best things about this is once you get your smoker preheated, you're good to go. It just does not take very long at all. So do you remember where we got this pizza?
Yes, Sarah gave it to you.
Oh, she did. Okay, thank you, Sarah.
Christmas.
Oh, didn't it go into that fancy
Yes.
place downtown, Oklahoma City?
What is that?
I don't remember. They have like lessons about stuff.
Sur la table.
Sur la table. All right, so check this out. Look at that. This is an extremely crispy crust, and you must have the requisite red pepper. Oh my gosh, that's too much.
Have some red pepper here.
That's more than I usually have. And we always like Parmesan cheese. Man, that is way too much red pepper. I'm gonna. Perfect. Crispy, delicious. It's fantastic.